Everyone keeps saying Facebook is dying, and that might be actually true, but it is not the full story. Let's be honest. Facebook feels worse than it used to. Way worse. First and foremost, support is basically non-existent. This alone is a major showstopper. I have friends who lost their genuine accounts to retarded automation and were never able to recover them. After the recent update, the feed is interrupted by mandatory ads on every second scroll. Some might say this is good, a big resistance to doom scrolling, and I agree. But in terms of time spent on the app, Facebook basically shot itself in the leg. Third, the product is bloated with features nobody really asked for. Marketplace, dating, groups, reels. It's trying to be everything at once, and over time that creates a very specific feeling. Loss of trust, loss of clarity, and a lot of noise. Therefore, everyone is wondering, will it be replaced soon? Here are the factors working in the social platform's favor. Facebook isn't just an app anymore. It's infrastructure. People don't stay because they love it. They stay because their family is there, their groups are there. Their login is connected to half the internet. Leaving Facebook isn't just switching apps, it's disconnecting from an entire layer of your digital life. And this is why Facebook doesn't collapse the way people expect. Platforms don't die just because they get worse. They die when something else becomes dramatically better at a specific behavior. TikTok didn't replace Facebook, it just captured attention better. Messenger apps didn't replace Facebook, they captured communication better. Facebook is being slowly chipped away, but not replaced. So what we're actually seeing right now is not death, it's decay. A platform that's still massive, still useful, but increasingly cluttered, noisy, and less trusted. The sheer amount of apathy about basic ergonomics is extremely frustrating for many of the users. It's unbelievable how little has improved throughout the years when it comes to features that are actually desired. For example, sorting your friends by recent interactions. Every time I want to share a link or a file with a friend on Facebook, I basically have to search for them by name instead of the app showing my recent contacts at the top of the list. This is so basic and old as a feature, and yet it is missing here. This means no one cares about actual ease of life improvements. No one proof tests the user experience. No one gathers feedback. Or they just don't care. At the end of the day, if the product is net positive, why change the working formula? Obviously, that's a dumb way to manage a live platform, but who are we to teach them how to do their business? And here comes my prediction. Pretty simple, actually. Facebook won't disappear anytime soon. It will just keep shifting into the background, used by older people who are too used to its ecosystem. People who need storage for their old photos until Meta decides to charge them for storing data, because this will happen sooner or later. No free lunch, remember? People who are too comfortable and basically don't really care. But those people are not keeping you afloat, nor can they help you grow and sustain you in the long run. Facebook is already less of a place you want to be, and more of a place you have to be. Not exciting, not loved, but too embedded to leave. And that's a very different kind of survival. It's a slow death that will eventually happen, the moment a better system comes into play with enough resources to get exposure. When you become too big, you lose flexibility, and eventually the small fish eat you alive.